Setting up a DIY home drone racing lab can transform your living space into an adrenaline-pumping adventure. First, gather essential equipment, including racing drones, a dedicated RF controller, and FPV goggles for immersive flying. Next, design your own obstacle course using cones, hoops, or even homemade obstacles to test your piloting skills. As you develop your skills, you'll learn about drone aerodynamics, battery management, and troubleshooting, enriching your technical knowledge. Ultimately, this incredible lab will foster friendly competition, creativity, and hands-on experience in drone technology, while providing endless hours of fun. So gear up and take to the skies in your own home lab adventure.